Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you through the process of changing your phone number in the WhatsApp app. Make sure you watch until the end to avoid any mistakes, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And let's dive in. First, open the Snapchat app on your device and navigate to Settings. From there, tap on Account and then Change Number. Next, enter your current number in the first text field and your new phone number in the second one. You can also change the country by selecting from the list provided. Once you have entered your new number, tap Next. You will then have the option to notify your contacts about your number change. You can choose to notify all contacts you have chat with, or select custom contacts. If you prefer not to notify anyone, simply turn off this option. After making your selection, tap Done. WhatsApp will then confirm if the entered number is correct. Confirm by selecting Yes. And next, WhatsApp will send a 6-digit confirmation code to your new phone number via call or SMS. And enter this code in the provided field and tap Done. Once confirmed, your phone number will be successfully switched to the new one. And that's it. You have now learned how to easily change your phone number in WhatsApp. And if you have any questions about the tutorial, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. And I'll see you in the next one.